Some
Yes?
other new words also.
Yeah, that's what. Whatever they know, a new word also, let them do it. It's good only.
What are the words that you circled?
Come on, Ma. Manavi is gone.
The.
Mm.
The.
Mm.
What is this word?
Is okay then.
Think.
Sing.
Huh?
Think.
Sorry?
Sing, ma'am.
Sing. Very good. Well done, Hashmi. Okay. Next, who else finished? Good morning, Karthikeyan.
Vivan finished, ma'am.
Come on, Vivan.
Just say the circle words, okay?
It's planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Everything planet names. Oh my God.
No, there are other words.
Boy. He's very smart.
Read the other words also.
and also on the sun.
Read the other words, ma'am.
Other words, whatever you have circled, you have to say, ma. Yeah, good morning, Satvika Sri. Take your rhymes book, take any rhymes, and you have to circle all the 2-letter words, 3-letter words, or else if you know any new words also, you can circle, children. Okay? Those are joined now, I am telling you. Okay, thank you, Vivan. Next is Tarnika finished. Come on, Tarnika.
So let me know. In
Mm,
IT it
mm,
is
mm.
NG saying vowels.
Hey, vowels also. Very good. Well done, very good, and thank you so much, Tarnika. Rohita, finish. Come on, ma, Rohita. You took butterfly rhyme, right? Where is the butterfly rhyme? Yeah. Yeah, I saw. Come on. Tell me the words what you have circled.
Okay, పదాలు చెప్పు ఇవి చెప్పు మ్యామ్
HO
నో OHO
OHO
Mm.
నువ్వొక సర్కిల్ చేస్తా చెప్పు HS
HS
has
as
Super.
MY
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 That's what. She should circle it on her own. You told her to circle Maya?
DO
Rohita's mom.
OG what ma'am
You told her to circle MY my?
నో మ్యామ్ షీ సర్కిల్ నేను MY మై అంటే నో ME అని చెప్తా
Oh, ME only we learned. So MY my we didn't learn, no?
నో మ్యామ్ M అంటే MIM అని చెప్తున్నారు కదా మ్యామ్ ఫోనిక్
Oh,
సౌండ్
that one. Okay, okay.
షీ M1 గా అంటుంది
Okay, good. Next one.
చెప్పుమా లేట్ అవుతుంది ఇదే సర్కిల్
తెలుగు మార్చిన
చెప్పు
C small
స్మాల్ ఏ అనక్కలేదు ఏ అనొచ్చు
C small L M
సరిగ్గా చెప్పుమా ఇది చెప్పు హెచ్
మమ్మీ క్లాస్ అయిపోయేది ఫుల్ యూట్యూబ్ చూసి అప్పుడు చెప్పేస్తా
అంత లేదు
YouTube చూసే చెప్పేసనా? You'll see the YouTube and you'll say, naughty girl. How clever.
మ్యామ్ నెంబర్స్ చదవమంటుంటే చార్ట్ తెచ్చి నెంబర్స్ చదవమంటే యు ఆర్ నాట్ మ్యామ్ వెన్నెల మ్యామ్ ఓన్లీ మ్యామ్ సో వెన్నెల
Very good. Okay, well done, Rohita. Now you have to look at your book and you have to practice one more time. I'm going to come back to you. Okay? One more time I'll ask you.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, who else finished? Yeah, Dev Krish. Yeah, Dev Krish, then Naitik. Okay, Naitik? Come on, Dev Krish.
Read the sentence. What is circle? Hmm. Okay. Next. Hmm. Hmm.
Dev Krish,
Ah.
speak loudly. Ma. I can hear your mom's voice, but your voice I'm not able to hear. Why?
Nowadays he's speaking very low. I don't know why, ma'am.
Increase the volume then.
Say loud. Hmm. September. Okay. Say September. Correct தான். THE.
Very good.
This one, you know that.
O
Hmm.
U
Hmm.
T
Hmm.
out.
Out. Okay.
Very good. Well done. Okay, very good, ma Dev Krish. Next is Nitek. Yeah, I saw. Good boy. Very good. You can try out with new words if you know also. We have learned with CH sound, TH sound, NG sound and all. If you know that words also, you can circle children. Okay. Next is Nitek. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Fast, Nitek.
U P
Mm.
up.
Mm.
I N in.
Mm.
T T O two.
Mm.
I N in.
Mm.
Finish.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good, Nitek. Then Ritvik, come on, fast. Ritvik.
What is this?
U P.
Okay. Look at ma'am and say, what is this?
N N N.
What is this?
I don't know.
What is this?
Don't know.
Don't know is there.
Saying
Ah?
everything.
He said everything to you. Now he's not saying, huh?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. I don't know. Is there? Huh? No, it's not there. Anyhow, he's identifying it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then it's okay. Good, Dandi. Okay. Okay, children. We'll start our session. How many of you have circled? Finished? Farnas, come on, fast.
Ma'am, it's the finish.
Then you have to tell me, no. If you are waiting, then. Yeah, Farnas, then Nukshita. Fast, Farnas.
இங்க
Ah.
Yeah, I'll call you, Ma Karthikeyan. I'll finish Farnas and I'll call you.
இங்க 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 this one
The.
Mm.
The.
Mm.
In.
that's all
That's it. Very good. Nukshita. Good, Ma Farnas. Finish.
Fast ga. A-N? Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
S-O?
So.
Mm.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అమ్ము ఇక్కడ చూడు
Two. Two. It's two. Okay?
చూడమా
Yeah, wait, Ma Siddharth.
దిస్ వన్
I. N.
అయ్యన్ టెల్ మీ అయ్యన్
In.
ఇన్
Okay?
అయ్యస్ టెల్ మీ
What happened?
Okay,
Is.
that's it.
Okay. Okay, no issues. Very good, Nukshita. I have tried very well. Next is Karthikeyan. Come on. Karthikeyan. Fast, Karthikeyan. Read it fast.
I am in.
Mm.
He is.
Mm.
The.
Mm. Ritvik, come and sit in your place.
In.
Mm.
To.
Hmm. With. Very good. Well done, Ma. Karthikeyan. Good boy. Okay, next is Siddharth. Siddharth, finish. We'll start a session. Children, who is going to say Kids Anthem? Decide it and call me. Come on, Siddharth.
Wait.
Hey.
A.M.
Wait. Mm.
A.M.
Mm.
A.T.
Mm.
A.S.
Mm.
I.N.
Mm.
I.S.
Mm.
I.F.E.
Mm.
T.At.
IT atta. IT is it. Next.
Ma.
That's it.
At. Cat போடல
நீ எழுதி இருக்க சொல்லு
cat போடணும்
சரி hat சொல்லு
Finish.
Yes ma'am, he wrote a mad hat but he's not
Wow, very good. Well done, Siddharth. Very good boy. Okay, who is going to say Kids Anthem? Ritvik, will you say Kids Anthem today?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Ritvik. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Fast. Stand up, everyone. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start. Kids Anthem. You're the wing. Very good. Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Very good morning, children. Okay. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Straight away, we'll go for our attendance because it's already time up. Darshika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Pranita. Darshika.
My name is Dashika. Going to study in junior KG.
Very good. Dev Krish.
My name is Devkrish. I am studying in junior KG. I'm
Farnas. Yeah, very good. Farnas.
Nani, ma'am. I am MS Farna Fatma. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Hashni.
My name is Ashini. I am studying in junior KG. I am 6 years old. I am 4 years old. I am 3 years old.
Enough. Janavi.
Junior KG.
Janavi.
My name is Janavi. Studying in junior KG. I am KG class forever.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good. Okay. Karthikeyan.
Ma'am. My name is Karthikeyan. Studying in junior KG. 4 years old.
Counted, I counted for you. Okay. Kavyani.
Here I am, Manila, ma'am. My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm KG girl.
Very good, Kavyani. Have a good day, Kavyani. Night take.
My
Night take.
name is Naiti. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
That's it. Okay. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
My name is Nuchita. I'm 7
Very good. Very good, Nukshita. Pranita. Pussycat. Mm.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Why so slow motion today? Okay, very good, Pranita. Rohita. Rohita.
My name is Soita. My name is Soita 4 years old. I'm junior KG.
Okay, Ritvik.
I'm unicorn, not the Loida.
Rohita only I called. Okay, Ritvik.
My name is Lizzie. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Nitila. Nitila.
Nitila. I'm studying KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika.
My name is Karthika Sri. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Satvika. Did you circle the word Satvika and she circled correctly? Satvika's mom.
Yeah, ma'am. In 2 rhymes, she circled it.
2 rhymes, ah. Very good, Satvika. High five. High five. Very good girl. Fast. Siddharth.
My
Siddharth.
name is Siddharth. I'm studying in junior KG. 4 years old. Good morning.
Yeah, very good. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar will be joining afterwards. Vishank. Vivan.
My name is Viman. I study junior KG. I'm 4
Slow motion, ah. Okay. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Studying in junior KG. Good morning. I am studying in junior KG.
Why so confusion today? What happened? Lakshana. 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 Absent. Okay. Children, yesterday I gave you an activity. Do you remember that? What activity I gave you? What I told you to do? Do you all remember? Anyone?
Letter to mom.
Rohita, ma'am.
Yeah, letter to mom. Did you write? Did you write a letter? How many of you wrote?
Mom.
How many of you wrote a letter? Rohita wrote a. Okay, one by one I'm going to call you and ask. Dev Krish. 1 minute, ma, Janavi. Dev Krish, did you write? Dev Krish, did you write? See, I also wrote a letter. Suspense. I'll show you afterwards. Okay? Dev Krish, you wrote your letter? Show me the letter.
Yes, yes.
Show me. Show it to me. Come on.
I am so
Wait, ma. I'm going to call you one by one and I'm going to ask you. Okay? Till that, please mute yourself, children. Unnecessarily don't unmute, children. I can't hear all of you at a time. Okay? So one by one. Okay? Please. I love my family. Very good, Dev Krish. Then Darshika. Darshika, what did you do? Come on, show me the letter, what you wrote.
I love you, mom.
I love you, mom. This is the letter you wrote? Very good. Farnas. Farnas, what letter you wrote? I think you are absent yesterday, so you might have not known. It's okay. Hashini.
Ma'am, yesterday she's absent, ma'am. So
Yesterday she wrote,
No, ma'am.
Sorry?
She's absent.
Yeah, that's what
She's
I said.
absent.
Yesterday she was absent. She would have not known about this. Actually, I asked to write a letter to your parents or
Yes,
grandparents, uncle, auntie, whoever it is, saying that I love you.
Okay, ma'am.
That's it. If you want to write, she can take a paper now and
Tomorrow
write.
she'll write.
No, if it is possible, she can write now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Next is Hashini.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wow. A4 sheet fully,
Yes, ma'am, she has written 2 letters, ma'am.
2 letters, What? 2 letters to whom?
1 letter to parents, 1 letter to you and her friends.
Wow, so sweet of you. A virtual hug for Hashni. Thank you so much, Hashni. And thank you so much, Hashni. Next is Janavi. Janavi.
Janavi, show to
Take a snap and send it to me, parents. Please take a snap of what they have written and send it to me, please. Okay. Next, Janavi, show your letter.
I love you.
What you have written? To whom?
To all. To all.
To all.
To all. All means what is that, Janavi's mom? To all means?
Ma'am, those who are showing this paper, she's telling, I love you, I love you.
Hey, naughty and clever girl. Very smart you have become nowadays, huh? Okay. Next is Karthikeyan. I want an envelope also, parents, or else we'll do an envelope today. If you don't have an envelope, we'll do it today, okay? Okay, mute yourself, Janavi. Next is Karthikeyan.
Yesterday he was absent, ma'am. Now only he's writing.
Okay, now I want him to write a letter to parent. Saying that I love my family or I love my mom and dad or whatever it is. Okay? Next is Kavyani.
Okay.
Please, parents, take a snap of what your children has written. Please take a snap and send it to me. Without
Yeah, okay, ma'am. I will send it, ma'am.
She didn't write. It means she didn't write, correct?
No, ma'am. I was on another meeting, ma'am. That's why I'm not able to concentrate on the call.
Okay, please give some time for her also. It's a humble request.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Next is Nightek. Kavyani, you must not leave your dad like this. Okay, you must trouble them. Ma'am has told like this, I must do it. Okay, Kavyani. Nightek. Come on, Nightek. What you have written? To whom you have written? Huh?
Ma'am, he'll write
Today you stand up on your bench. That is the punishment I'm going to give it to you. Yesterday you attended my class, no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Why you didn't write a letter? Now you should write. Give him a piece of paper. Let him write now.
Okay, ma'am.
I know he will write soon. Come on, write it now. Okay, next is after Nightek, Nukshita.
Rohit, okay.
Nukshita. Nukshita and Nitila, show me your letter, what you have written. Nukshita and Nitila, are you there?
Ma'am, Nitila yesterday, she's not well, ma'am.
Okay. She didn't write, okay? Okay, let her write afterwards. Take a snap and send it to me without fail.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, thank you. Rohita and Ritvik, show me what you have written.
Rohita, chupichu.
Rohita. Closer. What you have written? Just read it and show me, no? What you have written.
I love you.
I love you, Dad.
My mom and dad.
You love your mom and dad. So sweet. Very good. Okay. Very good, Rohita.
Yeah.
Huh?
India.
And Dia.
India.
India. Great. Okay, next is Ritvik. Show me more what you have written. Ritvik. What you have written, Ritvik? I'm asking you for a long time, Ritvik. Can you hear me?
I love you, Dad.
You love your dad. Where is your mom? Okay. Darshika, what you have written, Darshika? Darshika, what you have written? Why the paper is in that condition? What happened to that paper? Children, what are you doing with the paper, children? I told you to write. What has happened to that paper, Darshika? You yourself is laughing, huh?
Hello.
Come on. Yeah, tell me. Kavyani's dad.
Ma'am, what do we have to do, ma'am? Sorry.
She has to write a letter to parents saying that she loves you. I love you, mom and dad, or I love my family. Like that in a sentence.
Yeah, okay.
Like this. Yeah, it should be like this. Okay. Darshika, show me I didn't see what you have written. Show me your paper. Show me your paper, Darshika. I love you, mom. Then you don't love your dad. I'm going to call your dad and tell him that Darshika doesn't love you. Shall I say? Shall I say? I will tell definitely. Okay, next. Ritvik, Satvika. Satvika, Siddharth. Yeah. Siddharth, show it properly, Siddharth. Wow. This much you have written, I love you, mom, and I love you, mom, Vidya. Who is Vidya? Your mom's name, Vidya. Okay, good. Satvika has written?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, what she has written? I love you,
Mom and
dad. Very good. Very good, Satvika and Siddharth. Super, Siddharth. I love you, Siddharth, really. Next is, who is there? Tarnika. Nukshita, Shoma, I called you already, Nukshita. I love you. I love my family. Very good, Nukshita. And next is Tarnika. Let me see what Tarnika has written. Dear mom and dad. Dear mom and dad, I love you. Very good, very good. Next, Vivan, Vidyut. Good, ma. Very good. Vivan and Vidyut. Vivan.
Sure, ma'am.
I love
I love you,
love
Amma.
Tat. What? Vivan, I love Tata, va? What is this? What to do with this boy? Why is he crying now?
No, he wants to go and give right now.
Oh, post a letter in the post box. Then only it will go to your Tata, no? For that only I asked an envelope. You have to write the address here. Yes or no? Without writing the address, how will it go? I showed you, no? The postman, he will come and collect the letter and then he will go to that place and he will deliver there. You should not go. Are you a postman? No, no. Cry baby, always crying. Okay. Vivan, wait Vivan. We'll write the address, okay? Next is Vidyut. Vidyut.
Yes,
Vidyut. What he has written? I love. Colorful, very good.
I love you, Amma.
Amma. I love you, mom. I love you, Amma. Okay, very good. Good, ma, Vidyut. Next, anyone did I leave? Everyone I asked, right? Did I leave out anyone, children? If I've left out, please call me and tell me. Okay, now I want an envelope. Yesterday itself I told you, right? Need an envelope also. Yes, come on. Show me your envelope, children. Where is your envelope? No one has the envelope with you, huh? If you don't have an envelope, take a color paper. Take a color paper or A4 sheet paper and you have to take it as a square like this.
Rohita, have, ma'am.
Have, those who have, leave it. Those who don't have, you make an envelope now. Okay, take a paper and make it as a square. It should be a square size paper. This side, and this side. That's it. Envelope is ready and stick it. That's it. And then you have to put the letter inside and then you are going to write the address here. Will you all do it, children? Okay, I'll give you time. You do it afterwards also. Ask your parents to do it. And you have to write your address here without fail. And that too also you have to take a snap and send it to me. Okay? Yes or no? Why no answers from my children? Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely you have to make an envelope. Your address, the place where you are, that address you have to write here. Okay? And then take a snap of it and send it in group without fail. The letter what you have written, that also you have to take it. And the address in the envelope also you have to take it. Yes, Uma ma'am.
Vanilla, ma'am. Address.
Yes, Uma ma'am.
Address and all not required to send it in the group, ma'am. Address and all not required to send it in the group.
Okay, address you need not send it, children, but you can write your address in your envelope. Okay, that is the activity given. So you can write the address, but the letter what you have written, that you send it in group. Okay. Thank you. Shall we move on to our worksheet? Very good, Dev Krish. Rohita, good. Dev Krish, good. All have an envelope, right? Very good.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Please, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Kavyani. Very good. Finished everyone? Okay, shall we move on to our worksheet? Very good, Ma Kartikeyan. You wrote now?
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
What he wrote? What he has written?
I love you, mommy and daddy.
Very good. Very good, Kartikeyan. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, what worksheet, ma'am?
Yeah, I'll tell you, Ma. Okay, this is your worksheet D98MT. Okay? Before that, we'll read the numbers. Today, we are going to write number 7171, 7272. Before that, I want anyone to read the number from 71 to 80. Who is going to read? Who is going to read?
Asini.
Yeah, Hashni, come on. 71.
71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79,
80.
80, 80.
Very good. Why? Like from there it came down. 80, 80. Okay. Now come on, all of you take your worksheet and write D98MT. What is the date today, children? What is today's date? Yes? What is today's date? Anyone? Yes? Yeah, 3rd December. 3/12, month of December 2020. Okay, now count it. Tarnika, count along with ma'am. Tarnika. Yeah, come on, count Tarnika. 10.
10, group of 20, group of 30, group of 40, group of 50, group of 60, group of 70.
1.
1.
71.
71. Very good. Right. Next, Nukshita is going to count. Nukshita.
Yes.
Count, Nukshita.
10.
10.
20.
40.
50. 60. 70. 18.
80, yeah. 80 is there. 70 is there. Then 71, 72. Here you have no group, right? So 71 and 72. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Come on, write it. 71, 71. 72, 72. Children, please spell and write. I'm keeping on tell you in all the sessions. When you spell and write only, you will know the numbers. 7, 1 is 71 and 1, 7 is 17. Ulta, if you write, the numbers will totally change. So, spell and write. 7, 1, 71. 7, 2, 72. And the next worksheet is 73 and 74. Okay? That who is going to count with ma'am? Siddharth. First count it, Siddharth, then we can write. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, count Siddharth. 10.
10. Circle. 10.
20.
20. 30. 40.
50, 60, approx.
70.
71, 72, 73.
Wow, very good, very good. Okay, next is 74, number 74. Who is going to count with ma'am? Yeah, come on, Janavi. Circle and count it in your worksheet also. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. 74. 74, 74. So till 74 you have to write, children. Come on, write it fast. Janavi, are you writing, Janavi? Right. Spell and write, Janavi. Whenever they are not spelling it out and writing, please parent tell them that they should spell and only write. Ritvik. Ritvik. Are you writing, Ritvik? Spell and write, Ritvik. I'm not able to see whether you are spelling it out or not. 71, 71. Yes, ma?
I will spell, ma'am.
You are spelling only. Ah, okay, good. Right, right.
Thanks. Finish, ma'am.
Yes, ma? Parna's finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, Nuchita, finish.
Nukshita finished. Tarnika finished. Till 74 you have finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
two
ma.
bucket finish, ma'am.
Finish. Pranita also finished. Very good.
Two bucket finish.
Very good, ma, Pranita. Rohita. Devkrish. Darshika. Did you all finish? Yeah, right, right. When you all finish, let me know. We are going to do an activity and then again worksheet. Okay? Spell and write, children. Dev Krish, spell and write. I take Satvika.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Very good, Siddharth.
Ma'am, Auntie, finish.
Yeah, good, ma. Ashni, good.
Four. Ma'am.
Rohit also finish, huh? Very good, Rohita.
Finish.
Very good. Next, who else, children? Let me know. How many of you finished? Okay, I want others to stand up. Stand up and do the activity, children. Come on, all of you stand up. Now I'm going to tell you an activity you have to do. Okay? First, stand up, all of you. Yes. Come on now. You are going to sleep. How will you sleep? Sleeping. Sleeping. Okay. Eating. Eating, how will you do? Eating. How will you do the action? Eating. Kavyani, eating action. Okay. Playing. How will you play? Playing. You're catching a ball means how will you play? Like that. Okay. Next is running. How will you run? Running. Okay, very good. Laughing. Laughing. Yeah, good, children. So all these are action words and the same thing we are going to do it in worksheet. Okay. So the worksheet number is D104LT. D104LT. You are going to circle the action one by one. Before that, write the date. First one. First is circle the boy who is jumping. 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 Here, what is the sound you hear here, children? Jumping.
ING.
Ing sound. Yes, NG sound. Yes or no? Ing. Jumping. Okay. So now you are going to circle the picture. Who is jumping here in this picture? Which boy is jumping? First one, second one, or the third one? Who is jumping?
First boy.
Very good. First boy. So circle the boy. Now the next is circle the girl who is playing. Here, what is the sound? Here also you hear the ing sound. NG. Ending sound is NG. Ing sound. Playing. Okay? So who is playing here? Which girl is playing? First one, second one, or the third one? Who is playing, ma?
Second one.
Second one. Very good. Second one. Pranita. Third one. Eating. Very good, Pranita. Who is eating?
Boy.
Boy. Circle the man who is eating.
Man.
Which man? First one, second one, or the third one?
Third.
Third, eating. First, second, third. First one. Finish. Once you finish, let me know, children.
Ma'am. Yes,
Yes? Finished. Everyone finished?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Now, children, yesterday I taught you communication concept, right? Yes or no? I want you to bring any material related to communication concept. Come on.
Verbal communication. Verbal communication.
Anything related to 3 types of communication. What are the 3 types of communication? Who knows? First, very good. Verbal communication. Second one. Second one. Sign language. Then written communication. Very good. Now come on. Bring anything related to these 3 types of communication. Okay. Sign language. You have to do it and show me what sign language you are doing it. Ready? Okay. Shall we start according to the attendance order? Darshika, ready? One by one, I am going to call you children. Okay. So please don't unmute. Darshika. Darshika. Okay. Dev Krish. Dev Krish is ready? Yes, come on. Darshika is also ready. Yeah. Okay. Finish, Darshika. Mobile phone. Okay. Comes under what communication? You poke her eyes.
Communication.
What, ma?
Written communication.
Mobile comes under written communication. Think nicely and say. It comes under. Mobile comes under verbal communication, but WhatsApp, sending SMS comes under written communication. Okay, that you have to clarify, children. Mobile, if you are talking through a mobile, it is verbal communication. That's what I told you to bring. Okay, mobile, if you are talking, it comes under verbal communication. And when you are sending SMS and WhatsApp and all, it comes under written communication. Okay. Okay, come on. Very good, Darshika. Dev Krish.
Yes.
Dev Krish. Come on. What is that? Explain. Come on.
Yes, explain.
Mobile. It's a mobile. Comes under what communication? Yes, it's mobile. It comes under what communication?
Verbal communication.
Verbal communication. And then? Wow, this is what I expected. Very good. And thank you so much, Dev Krish mom. That is?
Writing communication.
Writing.
Written communication. Very good.
Do the action of sign language. Do the action of sign language.
Sign language.
What you are going to do, sign language?
Super. Say super.
Salute.
Good
morning. Very good. Well done and thank you so much, Dev Krish. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Say.
Communication.
Enna communication?
Verbal communication.
This one? Letter.
Letter communication.
Letter enna communication? Letter enna communication?
What you have written, what you have done in that letter?
நீ என்ன பண்ணிருக்க லெட்டர்ல? What did you do? Written. Written பண்ணிருக்கீங்க.
Written communication. Very good. Next. Sign language.
Written communication.
Sign language.
She don't.
Okay. Sign language. Whatever you know. Okay, it's okay, Farnaz. Very good, Farnaz. Hashni.
Yes,
Come on, do it, Hashni.
She don't know, ma'am. She forgot, I think so.
Okay, no issues. Sign language is good. Thumbs up. Good morning. Quiet. All these comes under sign language. Okay, Farnaz? Okay, va? Okay. Hashini.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, ma. Hashini. Okay. What is that, Hashini?
Phone.
Tell me what communication. Verbal, then?
Verbal communication.
What is this? What is this?
Sign language.
No. What is
Written.
Written
Written. Okay, then?
sign language? Sign language. Thumbs up. Hello?
Sign language.
Sign language.
Okay, sign language. Very good. Okay, children, now I am going to tell you the type of communication and you are going to show me the material. Okay, all of you, I am watching you. So just show me the material. Okay, first is sign language. Any sign language you know. Any sign language. Yeah, very good, Dev Krish. Vidyut, good. Satvika, sign language, ma. Kartikeyan. Good. Yeah, sign language. Very good, all of you. Very good. And then next is written communication. Show me related to written communication. Written communication, I am going to show the letter which I have written. So this is written communication. Oh my God, everyone is showing the letter what you have written. Nitek. Good. Okay. Next is verbal communication. What do you use for verbal communication? Satvika have brought a telephone. Very good, Satvika. Verbal communication. Sending WhatsApp and SMS comes under written communication. Yes, Janavi. Small telephone, Farnaz. Very good, Farnaz. Nice. Satvika also good. Yes. Speaking will come under verbal communication, children. And sending SMS and sending WhatsApp messages comes under what communication? Written communication. Okay. One more sign language. One more sign language except this. One more sign language. What is it, Dev Krish? Sign language, anyone? Yeah, good. And thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Thanks for all the activity you have done. You have done it very well. And the letter what you have written was really awesome. Thank you so much, children. And bye, children. Bye, everyone. Bye. Yeah, bye.
Bye.